In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Shein. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect, so your checkout is smooth and secure on your mobile device. Start by opening the Shein app on your phone. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on the home screen. If the app prompts you to update, it's a good idea to do that first so everything looks and works the way it should. Having a stable internet connection will also help prevent any hiccups during checkout. Next, head to your bag. You'll usually find the bag icon along the bottom of the screen. This is where all the items you're planning to buy are stored. If your bag is empty, you can browse and add items first. But if you already have products waiting, open the bag to review them. Tap the item you want to purchase to double check the details. Confirm the size, color, and quantity, and look over any notes like shipping times or applied discounts. This quick review helps you avoid last-minute changes later. If everything looks correct, you're good to move forward. When you're ready, select Checkout. You'll be taken to the checkout page where you can see a summary of your order. Take a second to verify the totals, any applied coupons, and your delivery details if they're visible. Keeping an eye on these summary sections helps ensure there are no surprises before you pay. Under the Payment Method section, choose PayPal. Look for the PayPal option among the available payment choices and tap it. The app will redirect you securely to PayPal so you can complete the payment using your PayPal balance or a card or bank linked to your PayPal account. Follow the on-screen prompts in PayPal to confirm. Once you're done, you'll be brought back to Shein, where you should see a confirmation page or order number. If anything seems off, you can return to the payment section and reselect PayPal, but most of the time the handoff is seamless. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Make sure your PayPal account is in good standing with an up-to-date funding source, and keep an eye on the currency and totals displayed in PayPal so they match what you saw in Shein. That's it. Simple, fast, and secure. Thanks for watching. Now you know exactly how to pay with PayPal on Shein using the mobile app.